Hello, mi gente. Welcome back to Hello Project. Today, we're gonna be going with our friend David to change. I'm gonna change my oil today, and he's gonna watch his car and stuff like that. So we're gonna go and try it, bro. It's my cool outside, it's my brick, but I'm gonna try and change the oil on my car. I have an Infiniti G35. If you have the same car, well, can take this video as a teaching video or whatever. And I'm gonna show you how I change my oil. And he wanna watch his car, bro. This nigga watches his car, bro, all the time. So we're gonna record a little bit, buying the stuff. We're gonna go to AutoZone, buy the oil, buy the filter, and get the stuff to do that, and then go and watch his car. I might watch mine, I don't think so, but we're gonna do that. I might help him and shit. And I see ya over there in AutoZone. Alright, Joe, we're in the car already, and this nigga Dave is right here. We're gonna go and eat something to a restaurant. Well, I'm gonna go and put some gas in my shit because my shit needs gas. This is this nigga Davey right there, and we're gonna go I'm gonna get some gas, and then we're gonna go to the restaurant and get something to eat, and then we better head to AutoZone. So I might record a little bit in the restaurant or whatever, because there's the people that work there, they kind of might. So yeah, we decided to come to the restaurant, eat something. We got my boy Davey right here eating his fries.
You know what up? We got a bacon, egg, and cheese on the wrap.
Bacon and cheese in the wrappies. And we decided to come, and I had to get gas. We decided to come to the restaurant and eat some. And then after here, we're gonna go to AutoZone, buy the stuff, change the oil or whatever, and then head out to the car wash the cars, and then that's about it. I'll see ya in AutoZone. Alright, y'all. I told ya that I was gonna go to AutoZone already. Oh, we got to Dollar Tree already. It's right there. Because we realized that we had to, when you change the oil, you have to, when you change the oil, you have to let it drop. So we're gonna get like a bucket or something, so we can drop in the bucket. So we came and we're gonna get that right now. Better just see what they got. I don't even know where the bucket's at. We got some little Christmas. Mira esto aquí. ¿Qué tú dices? Muy grande. Have to be like a little more flat. ¿Qué es eso? So, better see if we can get something. This is $5. It's for the cup. ¿Para qué? Cup holder. Ay. Ay, Dios mío. So, damn, I don't know which one should I get. We better figure it out in a minute, and I'll see y'all now in AutoZone, because after this we're gonna go and head over there. Alright, see y'all over there. I'll show you guys over there which one that I buy. Alright, y'all, so we got a bucket, so the oil can drop from here, and then we got some, what is that called? We got some bags, I guess, whatever. So we're gonna put this inside of here so the oil can drop here, and then we got the bag, and then we just throw it out. Alright? And then we better go in now to get the oil and the filter. So follow me. So yeah, we already got here. I mean, we already went to AutoZone. We buy the filter. They didn't have the oil, the 5W30 that we wanted, and we gotta go if they have it in Walmart. Gotta see if they have it here. So when I got the oil, whatever I'm gonna buy, I'm gonna go back and show you guys how to I change it. See you guys in the car. Alright, yeah, we went to Walmart already. We got the bucket, the bag, then we got the filter, and then we got the 5W30. If you have an Infiniti G35, 5W30, that's the oil that it goes to. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lift the car up, and I'm gonna put it up, and I'm gonna show you the socket that you have to take off, and then I'm gonna just get the oil down and put the new one. See ya in a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that first of all, what I do is take off the filter right there. As you guys can see, you have the filter here. So we're gonna go ahead and take it off. Go ahead and let the oil drop in the bucket. Like I told you guys. You go ahead and take the filter off and drop it there in the bucket, as you guys can see, and you let it drop a little bit. And then you go ahead and grab the new one. Take the plastic off. Shit.
One eternity later.
Taking too long. And then you wrap a little bit of the old one all around. Take a little bit, wrap it all around. And then you just put it back in. So you're gonna go and just screw it right there. So you grab it, put it there. Start squeezing it. Squeeze it a little tight with your hands so it don't be too hard when you're gonna take it off. So don't tie it too much. For this, I think it's a socket 14. So you're gonna take it off, and it's gonna rip all the oil that you, obviously the old one. Then you put it back, and then you just put the new one up there. That I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. All right, y'all. So we're cutting half of the bottom, and with this, we're gonna put in the new oil. As you guys can see, we got the old oil already out and the filter. So we're gonna put the new one in, 5W30. If you have an Infiniti G35, okay? 5. We're gonna just go ahead and put our oil in real quick. Hold on, I don't want to cut myself. And then you go up in the oil. Damn.
I'm trying to be cool, but goddamn.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the new oil in. Grab it and put everything. All these bodies gonna go in there. Just go ahead. Put your oil there. That's it. And then you turn the car on when you put this oil and leave it there for like 5 minutes so it can like run down the oil. That's it. Go ahead. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment. It'll give me motivated to make you guys more